Hello students, I am your science teacher. My name is Bijimoy. I am going to start a very important chapter from science, very interesting chapter from science. Okay, that is physical and chemical changes. Okay, what's the name of the chapter? Physical and chemical changes. Okay, in our day-to-day life, we observe a lot of changes in our surroundings. Okay, we observe a lot of changes in our surroundings. We observe a lot of changes in our body, in our food, etc. Okay, can you give some examples for that kind of changes? Okay, very simple example. A girl becoming a woman. A boy becoming a man. Okay, growing of plants from seedling. Okay, evaporation of water. Okay, undergo evaporation means what? The conversion of water from liquid state to gaseous state. Burning of a paper. Tearing of a paper. Okay. Then, these are some very simple examples for changes. Then, my dear student, what is meant by a change? Okay, change means what? Change is an act by which a substance different from its previous form. What is meant by a change? Please listen. Change is an act. Change is an act by which a substance different from its previous one. Okay? Then, there is always a cause which brings about a change in a substance. Okay? A cause behind a very change. Let us find out the cause, C-A-U-S-E, cause behind some changes. Very simple example. Okay, change in day and night is because of rotation of earth around the sun. That is the cause. Due to the rotation of earth around the sun, okay, day becoming night. Change in day and night. Melting of ice or heating. Okay, heating is the cause behind that change. Melting of ice. Ice is converted to liquid on heating. Please listen. All these changes fall under two broad categories. Okay? All these changes fall in two broad categories. Okay? Change can be classified into physical change and chemical change. Okay. Today I am going to discuss physical change for you. Before we define a physical change, let us study its nature by performing some simple activities. Please listen. Activity number 1. I am going to break a wooden stick into pieces. Okay. Then we can join these pieces together and try to make the stick. Okay. My question is, could you get the original unbroken stick of wood? Okay. Then what kind of observations could be made on this experiment? Okay. Yes. Observation number 1. The original stick could not be built from the wood pieces. Okay. Then the very important observation. There is no new substance is formed. Okay, there is no new substance is formed. And observation number 3. There is no change in the properties of wood. The properties of wood remains same. Okay. Then what about conclusions? Okay. The conclusion is, in this change, there is a change in the size of the wood. The size of the wood only changes. Okay. But each piece still have the same properties of wood. Okay. Each piece still have the same properties of wood. Next activity, evaporation of water. Okay, when water is heated to boiling, we know the water get converted into its vapor, into vapor stage. When vapor formed, okay, the vapors formed, when condensed or cooled, give back to liquid. Okay, when water is heated to boiling, it gets converted into vapor. The vapors formed when condensed or cooled give back liquid. Okay, very important point. Yes, the condensed water and liquid water, yes, possess the same properties. The condensed water has all the properties of the original water. There is no change in the properties of water, okay, after heating and after cooling. Yes. Then, yeah, here we use a term evaporation. What is meant by evaporation? The conversion of liquid into its vapor is called evaporation. Yes, anyway, we can say this evaporation is a physical change. Okay. Yes, next activity, I am going to tear a paper. Yes, we can say that tearing of paper is a physical change because there is no change in the properties of paper. Okay, then from these activities, by observing these activities, we can define physical change. What is physical change? Please listen. Properties such as shape, size, color, physical state, temperature, etc. are called physical properties. Okay. A change in which only the physical properties of any substance get changed and no new substance is formed is called physical change. What is physical change? A change in which only the physical properties of any substance get changed and no new substance is formed. Very important point. No new substance is formed during physical change. Only the physical properties of the substance changed. That means the physical properties like shape, size, color, etc. are changed. Okay. Yes. This kind of change is called physical change. You please note the example. Evaporation of water, melting of ice, tearing of paper, change of chalk stick into chalk powder. Okay, students, in my next video, I will discuss about chemical change. Okay, goodbye, study well.